Hi, this is Marcy with EarthSky. Orion the Hunter is one of the most recognizable constellations in the night sky. At least part of it is visible from anywhere on the globe. Orion can be used as a sky key. It can guide you to other stars and constellations, making it a great starting point for stargazing. First, look for Orion's belt. It's a distinct line of three moderately bright stars close together in the sky. If you draw an imaginary line through Orion's belt, it will point directly to Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. Sirius is part of the constellation Canis Major, the Greater Dog, which is prominent in northern winter, southern summer evenings, and follows Orion across the sky. Next, drawing a line through Orion's belt in the opposite direction will lead you to Aldebaran, the fiery eye of Taurus the Bull. Extend that line further to reach the Pleiades, a beautiful cluster of stars. Taurus the Bull contains both Aldebaran and the Pleiades, making it an interesting constellation to explore. The Pleiades star cluster is a stunning sight, and it is visible to the unaided eye. Check it out in binoculars. You'll see why it's a favorite among stargazers. Then draw a line from the modern eastern star Saiph of Orion and the eastern star of Orion's belt to find the bright star Capella. Capella is the brightest star in Auriga, the charioteer. It contains several bright stars and a few nice open star clusters, easily visible in binoculars. The brightish red star to the upper left of Orion is Betelgeuse, probably the most famous star in Orion. Drawing a line through the outer western star of Orion's belt and Betelgeuse will point to Pollux and Castor, the twin stars of Gemini. Gemini the Twins is a prominent constellation with Pollux and Castor as its brightest stars. The bright star next to Betelgeuse is Bellatrix. A line through Bellatrix to Betelgeuse points to Procyon. Procyon is part of Canis Minor, the lesser dog. It's a small constellation, but Procyon is one of our brightest stars and always rises before Sirius. Finally, look for three stars below Orion's belt. Does that center star look fuzzy to you? That's the Orion Nebula, or M42, where stars are being born, and you can see it with your unaided eye.